I am Sanjit Bosu Rahul, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Cambrian College. Today I will teach you English first paper. Okay. Before going to our text, we will watch some images which help you to know the lesson what we want to learn today. Do you know the instruments? There are three very popular instruments. There are more music instruments. Do you guess what we want to learn today? Do you know the man renowned Fakir Lalon Shah, who composes millions of songs? I think now we are able. Folk song. So today's our lesson is folk music. Learning outcomes. Dear students, after reading this lesson, you will be able to know the genre of folk music, composing element of folk music, what are the metaphors usually used in composing mystical songs. First of all, we will learn some important word meanings which help you to understand the context. We know that every word has various meaning, but which one is appropriate on the context. Riverine. Riverine means relating to river. Supernatural. This is very good word. Beyond what is natural. Mystical. Having a spiritual meaning that is different to see or understand. That means we cannot see or we cannot understand easily. Metaphor. This is very good word. This word is related to literature. It is figure of speech. The use of a word or phrase to refer to something that it is not. That means an implied comparison. What type of comparison? Suppose Meena is a beautiful girl. If I call her, Meena is a bird. What do you mean this sentence? Meena is not actually bird, but she sings like a bird. Her tune is melodious like a bird. So I think you will understand metaphors. Genre, a category of artistic style. Material, this is also good word. We have to understand this word to learn this lesson. Material means connected with money, possession. rather than with the needs of the mind or spirit. Reflect, to show or be a sign of the nature of something or of somebody's attitude or feelings. Tribe, a socially, ethnically cohesive group of people. Ethnic, connected with a nation, race or people that shares a cultural tradition. Okay, dear students, this is an excerpt. What the first part already we learned before class. Now we will learn the second part. This text is written by the late Midul Kanti Chakraborty. He was an expert musician. He also sang baul songs. In Bangladesh, folk music has great variety, with songs being composed on the culture, festivals, views of life, natural beauty, rivers and rural and reverent life. These songs are also about social inequality and poverty, about the material world and the supernatural. Mystical songs have been composed using the metaphors, already we have discussed these words, rivers and boards. That means rivers and board are used as metaphors in this context. Since the country is basically riverine, the Bhatiyali forms an important genre of folk music. Folk music is formed and develops according to the environment. That means we find that environment is important element in folk music, river and boards also important. Differences in the natural environment are reflected in the people of the different regions. We know that we have many regions in Bangladesh. Every region has her own characteristics. The dialects to vary across the different regions. Bangladesh folk music therefore varies from region to region. That means we know that Borishal dialects, native tone, Noakhali dialect has also a native tone. Thus, there are the northern Bhawaiya, the eastern Bhatiyali, and the southwestern baul songs. The culture and the lifestyle of the different tribes have also influenced folk music. That means tribes is also another important element in folk music. Tribes like the Shautal, Garo, হাজং, চাকমা, মণিপুরি, ত্রিপুরি, মারমা, etc. have interacted with ethnic Bengali culture and lifestyle over the years. The interaction has been clearly reflected in the richness of folk music. That means we have many tribes and they are interrelated. It helps our folk music to develop. Dear students, I think you will understand the text. Now we will do exercise. You are able to answer the question, why does Bangladeshi folk music vary from region to region? Already we have discussed in the text. How are the culture and lifestyle of different tribes reflected in folk music? Okay? That's all. We will see again. Thank you. Goodbye.